In my dream I had it. Okay, start it over.
Good.
I had a dream today I had a dream of Nina had a sleepover with her friend Anna. They were being to me. I don't know why. They put me in the face and said goodbye. Go.
Alright. Well, Kayla likes to rhyme and I like to drive, and together we can give each other high fives.
Bats are the kind, but I don't know why. I always watch a movie, but I don't know why.
You're so cute and you're so fly. I look at you and I wonder why.
Box in a truck and I run over mine. I went riding and I punched a China.
You punched a vagina?
I said, I punched it to China.
Punched China. Alright. So, alright. We go to the library when we want to read books and go to the sunshine when we want to look.
Trees I climbed and I fell right off. They were pooping and back all off. Huh, here it goes.
Well, Kayla is my girl, Nina is my oldest, and you know the daddy, he is the boldest.
At home, Daddy and my mom is the oldest. They're so in charge. And I run away. They call the money in a China and I put it in a I put them in the poop and then I put them in my man. Then I'm in charge of money. Put them to this. I run around. I get only candy. I buy a car. I went right in the car. But got all the toys. I turn the money up and I want to turn in my butt. I turn the kind of money gun I want to one eye. Couldn't bed, couldn't fun, couldn't do not. Put your face, but I couldn't sit down. But I put the money.
Alright, we're at school, baby. Give the peace sign.
Peace sign.